The moment a woman stops arguing with you, she hasn't found peace. She has found your replacement. You think the silence in your home is a victory. You think because she stopped nagging you about the dishes, or your career, or your gym habits, that she has finally accepted you. You are dead wrong. Women fight for things they care about. When she stops fighting, it means she has stopped caring. She has switched off her emotions to prepare for the exit. Respect is the precursor to attraction. It is the oxygen of the relationship. When the respect cuts off, the desire suffocates immediately. We are going to decode the biological signals that prove she no longer views you as her leader. Point number 1, the silence. Most men celebrate when their wife or girlfriend stops complaining. They relax. They think, finally, she gets off my back. But the opposite of love is not hate. Hate implies passion. The opposite of love is indifference. In evolutionary psychology, a female constantly stress tests her mate to ensure he is strong enough. When she stops testing you, it means she has deemed you a failed project. She is no longer trying to fix the car, she is walking to the dealership to buy a new one. If the house has gone quiet, do not get comfortable. Get worried. Point number 2, the manager mode. Does she speak to you like a partner? Or does she speak to you like an incompetent employee? Did you take out the trash? Let me just do it myself. This is micromanagement. It is the ultimate killer of libido. Biologically, a woman cannot submit to a man she has to supervise. If she feels like she has to manage your life, she becomes your mother, not your lover. And here is the dark reality. Women do not sleep with their children, and they do not sleep with their employees. Competence is the only cure. If she has to ask you to do it, you have already lost the respect point. Point number 3, the tone of contempt. Watch her face when you speak. Does she roll her eyes? Does she let out a heavy sigh? Psychologist John Gottman calls contempt the sulfuric acid of relationships. It is the single highest predictor of divorce. Contempt is not just anger. Contempt is disgust. It is the feeling that she is better than you. It is a hierarchy signal. She looks down on you from a place of superiority. Once a woman feels better than her man, hypergamy kicks in. Her biology screams that she has mated down. Never let an eye roll slide. If you tolerate it, you encourage it. Point number 4, the public undermine. You are at a dinner party telling a story. She interrupts you to correct the details. Or worse, she makes a joke at your expense to make her friends laugh. This is a dominance play. In the wild, you do not attack the alpha in front of the tribe unless you are trying to overthrow him. When she undermines you in public, she is signaling to the world and to other men that you are not the authority. She is advertising that the position of leader is vacant. This is a major violation. You must make it clear. We are a team. You never attack the captain in front of the crew. You cannot negotiate desire. You cannot beg for respect. You can only command it by being competent, by being dangerous, and by having a spine. If you see these signs, do not cry about them. Fix them. Stop looking for a mommy and start being a king. Inspect your relationship today. If you are asleep at the wheel, wake up. Subscribe to the channel.